Have you ever wished your apps could talk to each other automatically? Imagine receiving an email attachment and having it instantly saved to Google Drive, or getting a new lead through Facebook and having it automatically added to your CRM or a Google Sheet without doing anything yourself. That's exactly what Zapier is designed to do. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you what Zapier is, how it works, and how to create your first automation in 2026. Let's get started. First, what is Zapier? Zapier is a no-code automation platform that connects thousands of different apps and services. Instead of manually repeating the same tasks every day, Zapier can perform them automatically in the background. The automations you create are called Zaps. Every Zap has two main parts: a trigger and an action. A trigger is the event that starts the automation. An action is what Zapier does after that event happens. For example, when you receive a new Gmail email with an attachment, that's the trigger. Automatically saving that attachment into Google Drive would be the action. Now let's create a simple Zap. After signing into your Zapier account, click Create and then select Zap. The first step is choosing your trigger app. You can select Gmail, Google Forms, Shopify, Slack, Trello, Notion, Stripe, Calendly, Zoom, or thousands of other supported applications. Next, choose the specific trigger event. For example, you could select New Email, New Form Response, New Customer, or New Spreadsheet Row, depending on what you want to automate. Now connect your account. Zapier will ask you to sign in and authorize access to the selected application. This only needs to be done once for each app. After connecting the account, test the trigger. Zapier will search for recent data to make sure everything is working correctly before moving to the next step. Now it's time to choose the action. Select the app where you want information to be sent. For example, if the trigger is Gmail, the action could be Google Drive. If the trigger is Facebook lead ads, the action might be Google Sheets or HubSpot. If the trigger is Shopify, the action could be Slack so your team receives an instant notification every time a customer places an order. Once you've selected the action app, connect that account as well. Then choose exactly what should happen. Zapier lets you map information from one app to another. For example, you can automatically copy a customer's name, email address, phone number, purchase amount, or any other available data into the destination app. Before turning the Zap on, click Test. This allows you to verify that the automation works exactly as expected. If everything looks good, click Publish or Turn On. Your automation is now live. From this point forward, Zapier will monitor the trigger automatically and perform the action whenever the conditions are met. One of Zapier's biggest advantages is the number of integrations it supports. The platform connects with thousands of popular services including Gmail, Google Sheets, Excel, Microsoft Outlook, Dropbox, Notion, Asana, ClickUp, Shopify, WooCommerce, Salesforce, Discord, Zoom, Stripe, MailChimp, HubSpot, Airtable, and many more. As you become more comfortable with the platform, you can build more advanced workflows. For example, you can add multiple actions, create conditional logic, use AI-powered features, apply filters, schedule automations, or connect several apps together in a single workflow. If you're just getting started, begin with one simple automation. After you've successfully created your first Zap, you'll quickly discover how much time automation can save every single day. That's it. You now know the basics of Zapier and how to create your first automated workflow without writing a single line of code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, telling us what you'd like to automate first.